What's going on, guys? Welcome back to What You're Doing Reacts. My name is Ian and I'm joined by
Cash,
Marco,
Chenny, Chris, Josh,
Emily.
And today we are here with another Stray Kids reaction, Thunderous.
oh,
Let's go.
no, Stray Kids, honestly. We reacted to them for the first time last week. God's Menu.
Oh yeah, that was super interesting.
My
huh?
God.
Yeah.
2 Aussie members, and one of them, same age as us, and went to like, what was it?
Yeah.
Two, yeah. One went to
One was
like
out west and one was
Newtown. Yeah, Newtown.
Yeah.
Apparently you said,
Yeah, it was in the same class as. He shared the same class with my cousin.
oh my
Yeah, same
God.
school.
Yeah,
Yeah.
small
world,
Yeah,
honestly.
very small world.
Yeah, that's why after hearing that. Yeah, so that's why after hearing that, like, I feel like I'm connected to Stray Kids somewhere. Like, it feels.
Bro, they're from the area.
Yeah,
I know,
that's
they're from our area.
It's not one, it's two.
Yeah.
Like, we love the last track, but the fact that there's 2 Australians, it just makes us like root for them even more, honestly. Yeah. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed our reaction, please drop a like, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe to the channel, and subscribe to our Patreon. Thank you to our Patreon members. In fact, they voted on this video for us to watch, so check that out. Also, Discord link in the description. Check that out. Anyways, let's get into this video.
Oh, animation.
Oh.
What is this?
I didn't expect to see animations.
Oh.
What? What?
Okay.
Oh, what is this?
Well, cinematic.
Whoa, what?
Bro, this music video. Whoa.
Good transition.
Okay, let's go.
What the hell? Oh. Nah, the transitions, they're too clean. Oh my God. Oh.
Music video was insane.
Yeah.
It was insane.
Stray Kids. Stray Kids.
Oh my God.
It's everywhere.
Yeah.
Jesus. Oh my God. Stray Kids.
Wow.
Their songs are just hype. I think that's the best way to describe it.
Seems like it, definitely.
Yeah.
The animation at the beginning is so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like the transitions.
Oh my god. Yeah, I haven't seen many music videos like that.
Yeah, the
starting off
integrates-
with animation and
Yeah.
then some integrations in between.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like Demon Slayer. Like,
100%.
I think it was like, it had a lot of flashing because you associate like flashing with lightning, so it's like thunderous. And it had that like attention to detail
Yeah.
that I really appreciated. And the dance was like very, very out there. You can see it's like, it's really thunderous, like you can really feel it. It's not just like small moves, it's not, and they're also loud, so it complements each other.
Yeah.
Looks static, yeah.
100%.
yeah, that beat, it was thunderous, honestly.
Thunderous.
Like, it was coming in, it was hard.
Yeah. Oh my
Are
god.
they known for their dancing? Because their dancing was really good in this.
Yeah. Their choreo, yeah. Has to be insane. With
Yeah, the choreo was on point. And one of them was showing their nipples as well.
Oh, yeah?
I saw that. Yeah.
Bandage across it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Only one nip though, only one nip.
Oh, no.
That's all we deserve right now.
No.
I wonder if they do other styles, or, I mean, judging by this song and God's Menu, it seems like they do like really hype kind of music. But I wonder if they can switch it up every now and then. Maybe they got some like slower ones, I don't know.
No, I don't want slow ones.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
Okay, yeah.
Just go all out. go
Complete
all out.
hype, bro.
Exactly.
All hype, okay.
Yeah, all hype.
Yeah.
Ian just wants to see versatility.
Yeah,
He wants
I
to
like
see
that
everything.
versatility,
He wants to see the full range of music that
Yeah.
the group does.
Like if they've got some like clean vocals, maybe if they've got like a track that like completely like shows it off, I don't know. Like if there's some other vibes, like let us know, because these guys, they seem super interesting so far, so I want to know more about them.
100%.
Just on the hype train, just like their hype and their energy.
Yeah. We're on the hype train. We need to keep
It
going.
shows it a lot in that video.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to keep reacting to Stray Kids. There's something else, I
How
reckon.
many members are there?
Oh. Do we know that?
Was that last time? We said that last time and I said there was
8?
7, but it was actually 8.
Oh, okay, maybe 8, yeah.
And 2 Aussies.
2 Aussies, yeah.
That's a quarter.
That's 24%.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're taking over the world.
Oh, slap by us. Home ground. Yeah.
They're stealing all our.
Yeah, they take our jobs and take our talent.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed our reaction, please drop a like, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe to the channel, and check out our Patreon. So special thank you to our Patreon members who voted on this video. We're really enjoying the Stray Kids content, so you guys can vote on some more Stray Kids content for us to watch next. Check that out, link in the description. Also check out our Discord, come chat to us there. Anyways guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
It's you.